Sunburn is a red, painful, damaged skin caused by overexposure to ultraviolet UV radiation from the sun. You may have swelling, blisters, or even skin peeling if your sunburn is severe. To get relief from sunburn, get out of the sun as soon as possible. Cool your burnt skin with a cool shower, bath, or damp towel. Use after-sun cream or spray. Make sure you drink plenty of water to cool down and prevent dehydration. Cover your sunburnt skin from direct sunlight and take paracetamol or ibuprofen to help with the pain. To help prevent sunburn in the first place, cover bare skin with light-feeling clothes, spend time in the shade, and use sunscreen with a sun protection factor of at least SPF 30. If you have bad sunburn, you can get treatment advice from a pharmacist. Ask for an urgent GP appointment if you have had too much sun and experience any of these symptoms. Your temperature is very high, or you feel hot and shivery. You feel very tired, dizzy, and sick. You have a headache and muscle cramps, or your baby or young child has sunburn. Hope this video was helpful. Take care and stay sun safe.